Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix this issue, connect debug Android test. So which means your devices is running parallelly with some other devices or some other app. So example, if I'm trying to run this test, okay, I have already connected my Samsung mobile, Android mobile to Android Studio for testing. So test is started. If you check the build right, you can see the error. Okay, because I am running the devices in APM inspector. So that's why it is getting clashed. Even I'm running the APM server, but in try to run this code in Android Studio, definitely it will be getting error. So I need to close. Okay, I need to close the existing one. So for example, you can close directly here. Okay, or I can directly close it here, or you can just go to rebuild it, clean project, choose that, and then go to invalid caches. So invalidate and restart. So it's restarted. So we need to connect it, right? So we need to connect our devices again, unplug and replug it, and then cool. So now I'm gonna run it, sync all projects with Gradles, and that run button is enabled. I'm going to run it. This time I should not be getting any error. Super cool, it worked perfectly. So still if you're facing any error, right, you can go to terminal and you can use this code adb kill server, sorry, -server, again adb start server. You can execute this command, and again you need to unplug the wire from your device and reconnect it. So it will be displaying here, and then click it. I am going to rerun it. I think test is successfully completed. Meantime, I'm just checking the build. Yes, there is no error. Connected debug Android test also is running. Fantastic, friends. So test ran successfully. Also, I'm checking the build also. I do not receive any error. So this is the way you can fix the issue easily on your Android Studio. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care, friends.